displaying tag Charlie Lima Alpha 5841. That tag's going to come back to a 2007 Chevy Tahoe.
Good morning. Ford Parkway coming up on Riverdale. Stand by 1 second. Where did he go?
Straight. Oh, he probably crashed.
Dispatch, stand by 1 second. Stand by.
Yep, he crashed. She crashed.
Dispatch, stand by. It's going to be 41. We're trying to locate the vehicle now.
Keep going. You see the smoke?
Where's he at?
Keep going.
Radio, we're coming down Phoenix Boulevard. Still trying to locate the vehicle. We advise each struck multiple poles.
Just follow the smoke.
I'm trying. Which way did he just go?
Slow down. Right there.
Radio, hold traffic.